All right, here we are for Carl Berger Dodge. We're working on the 2019 Ram 1500. We'll just do a quick install. We've already taken off the wheel, make things quicker. Front Ram caliper cover. We're just going to set it in place and slide on the traditional slotted clips. Just make sure it's right up against the casting there. You slide that clip on all the way. Do the same on the bottom. And just make sure everything's centered, it's flat. It's up against the caliper on the bottom. And we will tighten it down once I find the 3/8 wrench. There we go. I don't have a torque wrench with me, but if you prefer to torque these down, it's 25 inch-pounds. Snug in place, ready to go.
Ready?
All right, now let's do the rear. Ram 1500. These are the studded clips, so you got to take the nut off all the way. I prefer to put the bottom one on first. Top one, get it centered right over the rotor, and make sure again that they're right against the casting, all the way against the casting. Now, as we're putting on the rear, what you're going to see is a little bit of a stretch. I put on the bottom, go over the bottom stud first, and it looks like this is a little bit short. We want it stretched up and over, so now it's pulling the clips together, and that's exactly the way it's engineered. Butterfingers, trying to get the nuts on here. Again, same torque specs, 25 inch-pounds. And again, what I'm looking for when I put these things on is to make sure that I'm right up against the caliper, which I am here. So, all good. There's a 2019 Dodge Ram 1500.